Explaining every single bird from Angry Birds to part 8 or something. Silver. Now, Silver first introduced in Angry Birds 2. Uh, just loops around and smash the buildings. Now, Silver doesn't always cause an earthquake. Silver used to just be Silver. Okay, I can't really explain. Silver used to be just Tony, but weaker, and does a backflip or loop-de-loop or something. Before she got the Birdquake ability, basically adding Birdquake to the game. And I think that's it. And also, I recommend Silver, like to get Silver as your first bird in Angry 2. I recommend that. Do not pick blues. Do not make the same mistake as I did, bro. Do not. Except if you're really good at using blues. If you're not, just pick Silver, bro. Out of everything you do, if you have no experience on Angry Birds, pick Silver. And then Terrence, and then Bomb, Chuck, and then any other bird. Just don't pick blues. Like pick blues as the last, or Chuck. Okay, anyways, that's enough for today. See you tomorrow for Mighty Eagle because I don't have enough free time to get the extra birds yet.